Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to unblock someone on LinkedIn. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to LinkedIn, open the app, and after that go and click on your picture on the top left of the screen. Go to settings, and after that go to visibility and scroll down a little bit until you find blocked members. Click on it, and as you can see it will give you the person that you blocked, and next to it there is a blue unblock button. You have just to click on it, and after that you have here to enter your LinkedIn password to make this change, and you will not be able to block that person again for 48 hours after blocking. So you should put your password, and after that click on unblock, and like that you will unblock that person. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video.